This specific text has a lot of really great ways that you could connect it within your curriculum um, throughout the school day. So I thought of a few ways on here. So geography, learning about places around the world, talking about what a newspaper talks about, what kind of news it gives us, how it's not just local news, maybe it's news that is nationwide or worldwide, talking about the most important things that we are hearing about or learning about for both. So then that sparks up the conversation of location and where we are in relation to those locations. Science, talking about how the newspaper provides us with information about the weather and how that can be predicted. That is something that can be tied into science. Physical education, obviously, sports are a huge interest of our students and of our society in general. So, talking about how that is a feature in there as well. And then ELA, obviously, the newspaper is made of written pieces. So, just talking about how there are different articles and different things that can be written that can be tied into a newspaper or fit in really well.